Hi, and welcome back to our how-to series on the iC-R helmet. Today, we're going to be walking you through how to set up a Wi-Fi connection on the iC-Rider app, as well as your iC-R helmet. Once your iC-Rider app has established a connection with your iC-R helmet, the next step will be to set up a Wi-Fi connection. If you go back to your homepage on the iC-Rider app, the second option, the HUD Wi-Fi, will be the option for you. When you open up that option, your phone, and therefore helmet, as long as they are connected, should start automatically searching for local nearby Wi-Fis. You can select the one that you would like from the drop-down list and input your password. Once that connection has been established, you should see an icon pop up on the HUD in the top right corner. Similarly, in the iC-Rider app, under your HUD Wi-Fi options, you should now see that Wi-Fi network listed as connected. For those of you who prefer to use your HUD as the main point of contact, you can indeed connect to a Wi-Fi network through the use of your HUD alone. You'll have to navigate over to the settings options and then down to the Wi-Fi networks option. From there, the process should be fairly similar. Select your network from the list of available networks and then input your password. Once connected, your iC-R helmet should be fully connected to the Wi-Fi. Now, I personally prefer to use the iC-Rider app. I find it a little bit more clear and less finicky. That being said, it's very easy to do either way. Thanks for watching this episode of the how-to series on iC-R helmets. Make sure to check out the rest of the series for up-to-date tips and tricks, and we'll see you in the next one.